We are at the Churchill bar and restaurant, and they have an amazing vintage Otis. What a treat to get to ride this on my birthday. Here are at basement. And here we have a nice KONE EcoDisc. Monospace, whatever the fuck you want to call it. A long time ago there was an old Otis lift here, and then this part of the building was shut for years, and it's been revived with this new EcoDisc. Okay, it's locked. Here you go to ground. You have to be careful because it actually opens up into a restaurant. Okay, let's go back to 3. Capacity 15 persons, 1,150 kgs. And here we are back at 3. Excuse me. And there we go. I'm not going to take a second ride because it opens up in the restaurant, so we'll just leave it there. But there we go, and that's it.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video and you want to see more, then you can visit my channel and see over 1,000 more videos, or you can subscribe to see my latest videos when they're released. You can also follow me on Instagram, where you can see more exclusive, fresh and original content.